Hi, my name is Daniel. I do sales and technical support here at CiES, and I'm going to show you a couple of easy bench tests that you can do in your shop to ensure that your new CiES fuel senders are working properly.
So for this test, I will require a power supply, preferably 12 to 24, but 12 should be sufficient, and a fluke meter. So I've got a fluke meter that measures digital frequency hertz. So I'm going to take my black lead from the power supply and put it onto the black wire, which is our ground wire, coming from the fuel sender. I'm going to take the red lead from the power supply and put it onto the red wire, which is the power wire, which requires 12 to 24 volts, or 9 to 29 technically. Then I'm going to put the red lead out of my fluke meter onto the blue frequency wire. And then I get a reading, and I have this at around 70 at the bottom of the tank, at around 70 hertz, and it goes all the way up to over 1,000, to a kilohertz. And yours will fluctuate. It may not be exactly there, but it's going to at least lower and rise. Now, if we drop the power down to, say, 5-volt wire, and that could be coming off of your gauge, just anything that's not aircraft power on that 1 amp circuit breaker, and I've got no reading. Now, if I bump that back up to at least 9, we go right back up. We've got full range. With the use of this resistance substitution box, I can show you what happens when your ground is not quite adequate. So as you can see, we're moving through the levels just fine. Now 1 ohm resistance, still okay. 11 ohms resistance, we're still okay there. 111 ohms resistance, still okay. 1,111 ohms, not okay. You get completely erratic readings. Moving it back, and it's locked. So in order to get it back to where you want it to be, we need to reset the power. Reset the power, we're perfectly fine, full and empty.